I rise before you today with a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the opportunity to speak to this greatly esteemed August House. The Debater Committee on Finance and National Planning has fulfilled its mandate as outlined in Standing Order number 245 by examining and assessing the Finance Bill of 2024.
Chairman, start by moving the bill. Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move that the Finance Bill now be read a second time. Then you go on with your...
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I beg to move that the Finance Bill of 2024 be now read a second time.
Excellent. Now you can proceed.
Mr. Speaker, I rise before you today with a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the opportunity to speak to this greatly esteemed August House. The Debater Committee on Finance and National Planning has fulfilled its mandate as outlined in Standing Order 245 by examining and accessing the Finance Bill of 2024. Honorable Speaker, the procedure commenced with a comprehensive briefing on the bill's substance, followed by interactions with diverse stakeholders who share their viewpoints. Subsequently, the committee carefully deliberated upon the stakeholders' comments vis-à-vis the provisions of the bill. Honorable Speaker, I would like to greatly thank the members of the public, and especially the ones who appeared before the departmental committee as stakeholders, the members of the public that came for a public hearing at KICC and gave us very, very insightful views that has improved the report on the Finance Bill of 2024. Honorable Speaker, in a very special way, although these people breached the Data Protection Act by sharing our numbers to Kenyans, but also thanked Kenyans that wrote to us through SMSs, that called us, and some of them, Honorable Speaker, were generous enough to send us 1 shilling and 2 shilling and 10 shillings to confirm whether our numbers were authentic. Honorable Speaker, I have written to the clerk wondering what to do with the 168,000 shillings that have been sent to my MPESA, because receiving these gifts from members of the public, Honorable Speaker, is against the state, the laws of this republic. And therefore, later I will be seeking your guidance on what to do with the money, because I tried reversing the 1 shilling and the 2 shilling, and it was impossible, because it came in hundreds of thousands. But for your generosity, Kenyans, I want to thank you and tell you that your views are well received.